Hi, my name is Dagmar, and in this series I'm going to give you tips on how to effectively work with the new Outlook for the web. Calendars are essential for any Outlook user, so let me give you tips on how to efficiently manage them.
Before starting managing our calendars, we have to make sure we see all of them. How to do that? You go to Calendar, and here in My Calendars, you can see all of your calendars, and all of them have to be ticked. I only have one, so I don't have to tick any more calendars, but make sure you have all of them ticked so you see all of them. My first tip is to distinguish the calendars by color. You do this by clicking these three dots and then going to Color. And here you pick the color you like the most for each of your calendars. Great thing is you can do the same with your meetings or events here in Outlook. So for example, for your marketing weekly meetings, you want a different color to distinguish from sales meetings. You also have a weekly maybe. And this really helps when you basically open your calendar and look at that. You immediately know what is which meeting. So that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna pick an event, for example, this one. I'm gonna right click on it and I'm gonna go to categorize. Now here we can see many different colors. So we can simply just click on it and it will be the color we pick. However, if you want to distinguish also by its name and you want to change it, you don't want to have here like the green category, but something else, maybe the marketing meeting or something like that, you go to Manage Categories. And here, when you click on this pencil, you can write down a marketing meeting maybe, or anything you need or like. You confirm by clicking the Save button as always. I'm not going to do that right now, but so you know. And my last tip when it comes to managing calendars is to make sure you see the calendar the way you really want to see it, the way it helps you to stay organized and stay well informed. That's why here in this ribbon, we have the format day, work week, week, or month. And now you pick anything you like, what you like the most. So when you open your calendar, you immediately see everything you want to see, the following meetings or tasks, anything. So if you choose day, you see what there will be for today, work week, for the whole week. For the work week, for the whole work week, and then a week also with weekend, yeah, and month, the whole month. I love this view of month because I like to see what maybe next week brings and maybe the following one as well, it depends. So yeah, and I think that would be it for my tips for managing calendars, and I hope it helped you.
So now you know how to efficiently work with your Outlook calendars. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit that little bell to get notified every time there's a new video. I'll see you soon.